Hi students, welcome to Ganesh sir classes. I am your Ganesh sir. In the series of diseases chapter, we have completed diseases caused by bacteria in the tuberculosis, cholera, tetanus, syphilis, diphtheria, typhoid, whooping cough. Now we are going to discuss about pneumonia. We are going to discuss about what? Which disease? Pneumonia. Pneumonia. If you haven't watched those 7 videos or 7 topics, I request you to please do watch those videos. It will help you to understand these concepts well. Okay. Now, diphtheria, sorry, pneumonia. Pneumonia is caused by Diplococcus, Diplococcus pneumoniae, pneumonia, or it is also caused by Streptococcus, Streptococcus pneumoniae, pneumonia. I request you to please take down the notes, running notes. It will definitely help you in revision and getting good score in the competitive examination. What is the incubation period? Incubation period of this pneumonia is 1 to 3 days. 1 to 3 days. It will affect the lobes of the lung. It will affect the lobes of the lung, and because of this reason it is also called as lobar pneumonia. It is also called as what? Lobar pneumonia, also pneumonia. Okay, what is the incubation period? Incubation period is 1 to 3 days. And what is the mode of transmission? Mode of transmission is contact or by air. Contact or by air. Contact or by air. So what are the symptoms? What are the symptoms of pneumonia? Symptoms of pneumonia are inflammation of the lungs, inflammation, inflammation of the lungs, inflammation of the lungs, and second symptom is patient you will get high fever, high fever, and breathing problem, and they feel very fatigued. That means they can't, they easily, the feeling of restlessness is called fatigue. And because the inflammation means swelling of the swelling of the lung, and the liquid will get accumulated, liquid will be accumulated in the lungs, liquid will be accumulated in the lungs. So these are the symptoms of this pneumonia, these are the symptoms of the pneumonia. And what are the, like, preventive measures? What are the preventive measures we have? Preventive measure is avoid, like, fatigue, or we need to avoid the malnutrition. That means we need to take nutritious food we need to take. And good sanitation is required, sanitation is required, good sanitation is required. And there are antibiotics are available for this pneumonia. And don't take cool drinks or the ice creams in the winters or in the midnight. Okay, so that might alleviate the disease. Okay, so this is all about the pneumonia. Once again I'll repeat, this is caused by diplococcus pneumonia or streptococcus pneumoniae, and it will affect the lungs, and the inflammation of the lungs takes place. That means swelling of the lungs will be takes place, and accumulation of the water in the lungs will takes place. And because of this reason it is called as a lobar pneumonia. Incubation period is 1 to 3 days, and contact by infected person through air, through the water droplet, and inflammation of the lungs is the primary symptoms. Whenever this swelling of the lungs takes place, this will get that patient might get high fever, breathing problem, and feeling of the fatigue. And what is recommended to prevent it? The patient or anyone has to be like they should not get malnutrition, and they have to take nutritious food, and they need to follow the proper sanitation. And if the patient gets this pneumonia, there are good amount of the antibiotics are present in the market. Okay, so with this we can cure this pneumonia. Uh, Please do share with your friends, and like this channel, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. All the best for your examination.